Merry Christmas, y'all.
We're still in July.
We're still in July.
Yeah.
Can we edit that out? Can we edit that? What's good, y'all? It's your boy Isaac, back like I never left. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Basically, all we do here is just go over math content ranging from 6th to 10th grade. We break down the questions and solve them in the easiest way possible. So you're probably wondering why I have this Christmas hat on. Just a reminder, it's not Christmas. Yeah, we still in July. But hey, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Your boy needs a cut. I mean, just look at this. I need a cut, man. But anyway, let's get into the video. Alright, so guys, today we're going to be talking about finding x. As you can see behind me, x is a variable. So we're going to be talking about what a variable is. We're going to be talking about how to find this variable today just on one side. So on my next video, we're going to be talking about how to find x in more complex situations. So let's get started. Alright guys, so here we have, believe it or not, two algebraic equations. So, believe it or not, this is algebra, but all we have to do is find the missing number. X is our variable. Now, what is a variable? A variable is what we use to substitute or to stand in place of a number. So we don't know what this number is yet, so we replace it with x. So we want to find x. How do we do that? Well, in any algebraic equation, whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other. So first, we're going to take away 7 from this side because we want to get x by itself. And what's the opposite of plus 7? Minus 7, or negative 7. Take away 7 from both sides. Now, we bring everything down. So negative 7 and positive 7 cancel out. So we don't have those anymore. All we have is x. We bring x down, which is equal to 10, because 17 minus 7 is 10. Let's look at the next question. So it looks a bit longer, but don't let that fool you. It's just as easy as the first one. All you have to do is solve what you can solve. We know that 3 minus 2 is 1. Let's bring that down. So we have 1 plus x is equal to 5. So this looks just like this equation. So how about you pause it and try this on your own? So assuming you're done, what we'll do next is take 1 away from both sides, minus 1. So remember, positive 1 and a negative 1 cancel each other out. So we're left with x, and then the answer to this question right here. So we have x is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. There you have it, your answer right here. Circle your answers. So now the beauty of algebra is that you can always check your answer to make sure you're correct. So if x stands in for 10, we put 10 in x's place. So now we do 10 plus 7 plus 7. Do it however way you want, and we end up having 17. 10 plus 7 is 17. Then right here we have 4. X stands in for 4, so we're going to put that into the equation. So we have 4 right here plus 3 minus 2, which is equal to 5. So all we have to do is solve it. So 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 4. Oops. Don't worry about that. So then we have 4 plus 1 is 5. And there we have it. 5 is equal to 5. There's a correct statement. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 is equal to 17. So therefore we know that both of these statements are correct. Okay guys, so we have two more questions. So we have x plus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 10. X plus 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Now these questions look long, but I promise you with the right mindset and the right goal, you can have these questions solved in no time. So the first thing you want to do is find what you can what goes first. So in PEMDAS, for example, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So the first thing we have to go for is P, parentheses. We have to find out the sum or the answer to what's inside the parentheses. So we have 8 divided by 4, which is 2. So we get 2 is equal to 10. Then we bring everything else down, plus x. Now look at that. As simple as the first question we just solved. So here we have x plus 2 is equal to 10. All we have to do, simple, get x by itself, subtract 2 from both sides. There we have it. X is equal to 8. Just as simple as that. So never let the length of the equation fool you. Next we have x plus 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 18. So as I said before, we're working with a longer question. So go back to PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So what do we have highest here? We have P, parentheses. So you're going to go to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. And we bring everything else down, plus 3 plus x is equal to 18. So what do we do next? We have addition here, so that's the first thing. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 6 plus x is equal to 18. Simple as the last question. All we have to do is get x by itself. So subtract 6 from both sides. Minus 6. And we have x is equal to 12. Sorry if you can't see that. It says x is equal to 12. Circle our answers. And as I said before, in algebra, you can always check over if you're not sure. So we plug in our answers. So 8 is x here. So we have 8 plus 8 divided by 4 is equal to 10. So let's solve. Remember PEMDAS? So we're starting off with the parentheses. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Plus 8 is equal to 10. What's 8 plus 2? 10. We have 10 is equal to 10. So we know that this question is correct. Now we have x plus 3 plus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Our answer was 12. So we're going to plug in 12 for x. So we have 12 plus 3 plus 6 divided by 2 divided by 2 is equal to 18. So start off with our parentheses. 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 3 plus 12. All of that is equal to 18. So we solve. 12 plus 3, get 15, plus 3 is equal to 18. 15 plus 3 is 18, and this is equal to 18. So we know that this question is correct. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. You can just take 2 seconds out of your time just to subscribe and turn on notifications. So come next video where we talk and get into greater detail about algebraic equations, you'll know when it's out. And other than that, today we just talked about finding x in an algebraic equation. We used PEMDAS to solve the questions, and we talked about what x was, which is a variable. So new vocab term. Other than that, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, especially to anyone that you think this could be of use to. Before I let you off, I know you want to see the hair, so I got you. So
not in my house.
Nah, you can't catch me slipping. Until next video, man. God bless.